Just a few minutes ago, we told you about the hands-free law that will soon go into effect here in Georgia. It will not prohibit you from using your cell phone if you're safely parked on the side of the road. And you may have seen videos from people who use their phones to record encounters with police. These have made national headlines. And there are occasions when officers object. Why? What are your rights? Well, we turn to our Why guy, Jerry Carnes, for answers.
It's become a daily part of police work.
Turn it off.
On traffic stops, officers encounter drivers and their cameras.
Do you want to go to jail for obstructing?
YouTube is filled with the moments when officers show their displeasure.
It's a felony to tape us.
It is not a felony.
If all you're trying to do is document your encounter with police, why would they object? The simple answer is it's perfectly legal here in Georgia as long as you're on public property and you're not interfering with officers. So they should not object.
That's fine, sir. You can record all you'd like.
Officer James Harkins tells us you won't hear complaints from him or other Gwinnett officers.
Do I have to ask your permission to record what you're doing?
You do not.
I don't give you my consent.
Not only does Georgia law allow you to record the encounter, you can do it without the officer's knowledge. If an officer notices and objects, the ACLU says don't risk getting arrested.
Do not argue with them. Do what they say, calmly note your objection, and then report what happened to the ACLU.
And keep in mind, when an officer is approaching your car, he might not realize at first that you've got a smartphone or camera in your hand.
As long as you're keeping a cool head about it. I've had motorists stab it out the window at me.
Follow those tips.
You can record all you want.
Here in Georgia, you and your camera should be fine.
Some really great info there. If you have a tip for the Why Guy, email him at whyguy@11alive.com or visit the Why Guy 11 Alive Facebook page.
Yeah, be careful because you don't